took so long to book those flights, and I saved this trip for the end of the year, saved all of my holidays for it, until the moment that I recognized that by the end of the year, it's like rain season in Bali. So I'm like, that's great. I like planned the whole year for this to happen, but it's okay. I did consider changing the destination, but I really want to see Bali. I heard that it's beautiful even if it rains. So I decided that the best I can do is buy a raincoat and make the best out of it. And I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, so for us, the best way to start a trip is to get a lounge at the airport. Open bar, all the alcohol you can drink, all the food you can eat. But Luiza said I should not tell you guys about this because we need to protect the lounge at all costs so no one comes here. So don't come here, it sucks. Are you ready?
I think I am.
For China.
For 4 hours.
For 4 hours in China. That's so adorable. Stop. Hey, look at a sausage cheese bun. I need to check if I can pay this with Apple Pay. I don't know how to pay for this. But sorry, but what? What the fuck did I just do? Okay, I am in love with this beauty. I attracted. Attracted a little guy. It has some cream cheese on the inside. It's pretty good actually. It's pretty soft also. We made it to Bali! We made it! We made it! We made it to this beautiful airport in Bali. Oh my god. Also, it's like probably 40 degrees in here. It's crazy. It already feels like Brazil almost. So good morning. Today is our second day in Bali and we rented a private driver today to take us up north of the island. We're going to Ubud today. I don't even know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do so many things and I cannot wait. Let's go because the driver's here already.
Let me show you my skills. Let me show you my skills on the other side.
Yay.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. So we rented a car that fits actually 5 people other than 3. We're only 3, but we got a car for 5 people. So it gives us room for all of our stuff. And we can be more comfortable. Yeah.
And there in the Titan pool you can do purification if you want.
Yes.
Finish that. This maybe I will bring you another one of Waterfall. It's a very nice waterfall. The name is Lampu. And then back to the hotel.
Okay. So we're ready to go into a monkey forest. This place is beautiful already to die for. Oh my god. Oh my god, stop. Hi babe.
I know, this life is hard.
Oh,
It's so hard. Yes.
I don't want to look. I don't want to look. Can't look him in the eye.
Can't look at the eye.
Can't look
Hold on.
him in the eye. Hi, little nugget.
Wait. That's when he's gonna steal your sunglasses. That's when he'll steal your sunglasses.
Oh my god. It's so crazy that they all and the babies. The little monkey down there. Oh my god. I could really be here for the whole day. Like really. Girl, show me the picture. The pictures.
They're like really.
No, I mean like stupid ones.
It's so different.
Wait.
I'm getting a new phone.
Oh my god. So that was absolutely amazing. And now we're going to Alice Harum. There will be an outfit change in the car. And yeah.
You better move. You better dance.
Let's take the night. You won't remember. I'll be the one.
Dean, let's go.
You over, yeah. Nice. So we just arrived at the Alice Harum. So excited. This is supposed to be such a pretty beach club. So the restaurant is just on top of a lot of rice fields, and it's so pretty. I'm coming!
Let's go.
Hi, my love! How's the water? That's so good. Oh my god!
There goes my camera.
How you doing?
Oh, good. Just taking some photos because it looks so pretty.
It looks so nice. Oh my god.
And the sky's clearing it up as well, so.
The water is really nice, actually.
It is. Okay, go properly in.
That's so beautiful. Oh my god, we've been looking for Kaylie for like 20 minutes and there she was, sipping on a margarita, living her best life. Simply. It's your style. Girls, I just took my... Oh my god, that's so beautiful! So we're just at Alice Harum, and that was so amazing. The most beautiful place like I've ever been. How was it, Lou?
It was amazing. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I don't think I've seen anything as pretty as that before. Like, it was amazing. It's definitely worth going.
Generally, my entire life. Now we're going to
A waterfall.
Waterfall.
Waterfall. Don't know which one yet. We'll see.
I'm at the waterfall. Let's go. Look at that. Ow.
It's so pretty.
No. Oh my god!
It's so cool.
Yes. Oh my god, that's crazy. There is no way a person cannot be in peace in a place like that. It's just so beautiful. It's crazy. I just feel so blessed to be here. I can't believe this is only day 2. Thank you, God, for bringing me to this beautiful place. Guys, Bali is freaking magical. It's not a joke. So, good morning from Bali. And we have a lovely, lovely, lovely room that has a balcony and view to the pool. It's so sunny today and it's so hot. It's literally like 39 degrees. It's really humid. but it's perfect. Luiza and I are ready to start our day.
Yes, we are.
Yes. What are we doing?
So we're going to the beach and we're going to a market as well. It's a place nearby, so it's good because we're pretty tired. So it's good to like the first day to just go somewhere nearby, and then for the other days, I guess we're gonna go.
We're very happily jet lagged right now.
Yeah.
To be fair,
we are tired, exhausted,
but we are happy. Our room, we got a private room, about £20 a night. It was really cheap, honestly. With the balcony, we have a private bathroom, and yeah, let's get going.
But for my phone, because that's crazy. This is like.
So we made it to the beach. First beach we're trying is different from what we expected. It's quite cloudy. We did come in rain season though, so that's fair. But I'm not sure we're gonna stay here for too long because it's not the prettiest beach I've ever seen, honestly. There is, however, a surfing competition going on, which is quite fun to watch. The people here are so good. We're just checking the surfers out. So there's a market happening Sunday just next to the beach. It's so cute. There's so many cute things and it's so cheap also.
I don't know, there's just so many options. Like, my decision fatigue's firing right now.
Do you think you're gonna solve your decision fatigue now?
I think I'm gonna tell everyone these are real.
Okay, I am happy to buy a couple of pairs. Really? Luiza thinks they look bad. I think I'm going for a look. Just trying something different here. We chose rain season. We did. So we just stopped by at a bar so we can shelter ourselves from the rain. Your drink looks so cute. It does. Yeah. Cheers, guys. Yes. Yay.
Wait, let's say something.
That's good.
On the ground and completely made it dirty, and yeah, making a fool of myself.
Oh my god. Cool. Getting ready to go out tonight. For some dinner, and we came to this lovely place called Touché, which has a lot of gluten-free and vegan options, so it's very good if you are on a diet. And that was one of Kaylie's recommendations, actually. Okay, this is the most amazing smoothie. This is made of dates, almond milk, banana, and peanut butter. So, oh my god, it looks so good.
I guess that's good, yeah.
It tastes a lot like peanut butter. I love it. It's really good. Okay. Try it, girls.
Action out.
Okay. Cool.
Oh yeah.
Good? Your turn,
so
Lou.
good. It's like we call it in America, chunky monkey thing. That's really good.
Really good, right?
So good. Okay.
So we're doing some fish tonight. Okay, and chicken. Nice. Oh my god, yeah. That's it. It's nice. It's good.
So good.
I was not expecting for it to be nice. I don't really like fish.
You don't really like fish?
Not that much, but that's good. She said it was good. I trusted her.